What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another cocktail. And today's cocktail, guys, is the Hurricane cocktail. Yes, I did this cocktail 4 years ago, but I've decided I can do better. I can do better than 4 years ago. So I've got a better recipe, and this is my best version of the Hurricane cocktail. So now get your Hurricane glass and fill it with ice. Right, now put it to one side and let's build this cocktail. So get your tin shaker, guys, and put in some ice cubes. So 4 to 5 ice cubes. So the first ingredient to the shaker, guys, is 30ml or 1 ounce of freshly squeezed orange juice. So I'd recommend fresh orange juice rather than concentrate. You get a better taste and it's a lot fresher. So the next ingredient, guys, is 50ml or half an ounce of Grenadine. Next ingredient to the shaker, guys, is 50ml or half an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Next ingredient to the shaker, guys, is 60ml or 2 ounces of passion fruit syrup. So the last ingredient to the shaker, guys, is 90ml or 3 ounces of white rum. I'm using Kingston rum from Jamaica. Beautiful. So put your lid on now and give it a good hard shake, 8 to 10 seconds, get nice and chilled. So get your Hurricane glass full of ice and strain into it. Beautiful, that is a much improvement on our original one 4 years ago. So the final thing to do now, guys, is to garnish it with a slice of orange. And of course, 1 umbrella. There we go, 1 Hurricane cocktail. And there we go, guys, 1 Hurricane cocktail. How does it taste? That is absolutely beautiful. That is 10 out of 10. I really recommend this recipe. I think it's the best version of the Hurricane I've ever done. That is absolutely beautiful. Because I just look at the vivid colour, proper Caribbean cocktail. That is absolutely banging. That is beautiful. Highly, highly recommend it. Because if you love your rum cocktails, you will love the Hurricane cocktail. And that is a 10 out of 10. An absolute banger. Really recommend it. It's sweet, it's beautiful, it's Caribbean. I love it. But that, guys, is the Caribbean cocktail. What do you think, guys? Have I got the recipe right? Do you like this recipe? But do let me know. Do you have a better version of the Hurricane cocktail? Do let me know in the comments below. But I've been MixedSid. This has been the Hurricane cocktail. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid for more cocktails like this, as it really does help the channel grow as I'm on the road to 2K. And I will see you guys for the next cocktail video. Cheers. So now we're going to garnish it with a slice of orange.